Hey everybody, it's Tom here again. Look, it's great to have you back on the channel. Today we're going to be looking at session 22 of the Partner with Anthony program. And if you are looking for a Partner with Anthony review, you are definitely in the right place. If you are in the program, or even if you're not in the program, you're going to realize very easy ways to learn all the internet marketing stuff, the affiliate marketing and the email marketing, so important, and all the other digital side of it, with the social media marketing that you can do with all the platforms that are out there. There are tons of them. It's a very rounded program. You don't need to be a tech guru to do it. And look, I know I say this in every video, but it's so true, and I need to just keep saying it because I need to get you people to understand that it is look, you don't need a ton of time. You don't need a ton of effort. You do not need to be a tech guru, and you do not need a ton of money, okay? All you need is a little bit of patience with yourself, a little bit of drive, and I'm not talking to be a world beater here. I'm just talking about a bit of drive to want to learn a new world skill that is relevant to today, to today's market, because whether you like it or not, the internet is here to stay. And whether you like it or not, people are going to be making tons of cash off the internet. It is absolutely incredible what people are doing with a laptop or a computer and an internet connection. Saying that, I understand your frustrations. I've been there. I continue to get frustrated with the things that I do, only because it's a learning process, and at the end of the day, guys, we are better off for it, okay? We are far better off for the experience. So I do get that you really do get frustrated, and I understand that, and I know trying to make money online in 2020, or any time for that matter, and trying to have a side hustle can be very frustrating. But don't worry, because if you're in the program, you'll realize that the program kind of takes all that away. It just takes it away, because it's so structured, okay? And if you're not in the program, do yourself a favor. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to the free training video on the Partner with Anthony program, and it's a very comprehensive training video. You guys are going to love it. It will answer a few of your questions, and like I said, what it's going to do, okay, it's going to give you a bit of direction, especially once you finish it, because there are so many niches out there. You've got Google, YouTube, and Snapchat, and Instagram, and all these things, Facebook, and Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest. It just goes on and on and on. And when you find your niche, of which there are thousands, that will give you a bit of direction as to which way you want to head, for that period of time. And your thinking changes. You become a lot more open-minded, because you start to think like a marketing person. But with that said, look, session 22 is a session about solo ad purchasing and selling, setting up your account, that sort of thing. It's a very good session yet again. They're all good sessions. But you get an introduction into a particular website, and a few people pronounce it differently. A few people pronounce it Udemy or Udemy or Udemy or whatever it is. I call it Udemy. Okay, so I will be just calling it Udemy. So it's UDIMI, and that is a solo ad service provider. You can buy anywhere from 50 clicks to 10,000 clicks. Okay, that is a particular site that once you register, get set up. It's very, very basic. You can start running traffic to what you have to offer, and it's really, really exciting, because if you've set your business up the right way, you will see how many people have signed up to your offer, how many people have opted into your offer, which then people that opt in go into your email list, and then you start building a bigger list to promote offers to, or services to, or products to, whatever the case may be. So when you buy traffic on Udemy, I would suggest that take your time, build a little bit of rapport and a bit of a friendship with the sellers, because again, they are real people. They're not robots. They are real people like you and I, trying to, make money online and run a business. And take it from me, they can be very, very helpful. They give you lots of advice on your landing page, or your squeeze page, whatever people call it, your opt-in page. They can be very helpful, and even some of them for another $20 odd, I think it is, pardon me, can even create an opt-in page for you if you're not that confident with your opt-in page. They can also write you what's called an email swipe, which is a bit of text, bit of copy that they can write for you, that they put in front of their traffic that they're going to run to your offer. So again, they can help promote your offer to their traffic, and let's just say you're going to promote the Partner with Anthony program. They can, again, this is all, if you're not confident in doing anything yourself, but you should be by this stage, but it's just an option for you that I'm letting you know about. If you like, they can do the opt-in page for you, they can do the email swipe for you, and your offer, they take that and they present that to the section of their list that offer is relevant to. So, that would be a business opportunity, a make money online opportunity, a work from home type of interest, and all that kind of stuff. And like I said, what was important for me was building rapport with the sellers, because now they know, when I go on there, they know what I'm looking for straight away. You will also be shown how to use your tracking software. I know Anthony likes to use the Build Redirect software. I don't know what you're running, but I personally run the Build Redirect software. Your tracking software, he shows you how to set it up in a way to fully optimize everything about solo ads. And I would recommend that you watch that little piece on your about your tracking software. Watch it 3, 4, 5, 6 times, because it's so important that you're not wasting or you're not utilizing everything at your disposal, okay? And last in the session is setting up your profit center link, which again, it's using what you have and utilizing and optimizing everything so everything is refined and everything is directed for you and everything is in your favor as far as the solo ads are concerned. And it's a really, really cool session. Yeah, like I say, if you're in the program, you will look forward to session 22. If you're not in the program, guys, get involved. Like, you know, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe now. We're there or wherever it is, or in the description. Get in there now. Everything is in there for your personal use and for you to benefit from. I'm here to help you, okay? And I really want to help you. The more people we can get to do this, the less we have to rely on our, 9 to 5 or 7 to 7 or whatever mad hours you're working. Get involved, subscribe to the channel, then and turn on your notifications, then you don't miss a video. And all these videos are connected about the Partner with Anthony program, how to make money online, how to get a side hustle, side income, all that stuff. This is what it's about. And the links are in there for your benefit. And even the free training video link in there on YouTube, it is absolutely insane how good that is. Again, that's just another avenue for you. Pardon me, but there's, what's that saying? There's more than one way to skin a cat or something. That is so true as far as the internet is concerned. The internet changes, overnight. Things happen so quick, and with this business, it keeps your finger on the pulse of the whole internet system. And with the solo ads, you can, once you build a bit of rapport with your little team through Udemy, you can find out what's converting, what's selling, what offers are hot, what offers are cold, and what people are interested in now. Because like everyone, we're all human, and we change our minds at the drop of a hat. Where some people are emotional buyers, some people are logical buyers. Whatever reason you have or they have, the guys that are selling the ads, they're only going, look, they want to make money, but they're not going to make money if their traffic is rubbish. You know what I mean? If their traffic is pure shit, well, no one's going to buy off them, and they're not going to make money. So they need to refresh their list, keep it all relevant to what it is that they want their list to do. You do the same thing by keep your offers fresh. Don't run an offer that was like back in the Stone Ages or whatever it is. Keep everything refreshed, stay up with the times, and the more you're on top of it, the more successful you will be. And that, I believe, is the key. Session 23 kind of is the next one that we're going to talk about after this. It is another good session. They're all good sessions, I know, but it's a good one because it shows you how not only you can buy traffic, it shows you how you can sell traffic, how you can promote offers to your list, and then you can start making the money, okay? And these guys, I'll just fill you in. One of the sellers that I buy from, this is just one. He's a young guy from where's he from? He's from Holland. I think he's from Holland. He's somewhere in Europe. And he only started 5 months ago selling solo ads. And he told me that after 3 months, so he's been doing it for 5 months, after 3 months, so for the last 2 months, he's making $5,000 US a month. To some of you, that might not sound like a lot of money. That's a lot of money to me, that's a lot of money in anyone's language, okay? Because that indicates to me that he's on the right track. He's doing something right. He's got good traffic. And if he can make $5,000 US in 5 months, okay? I know it was really only the last 2 months, because like anything, it takes time to build and build and build and build. What I'm going to do is wait a couple of months. I will ask the same question to him to see how much he is then make. I can guarantee you he will be making almost double that in the next couple of months, because this is absolutely raging, this solo ad selling and buying. There is so much money to be made because there are so many offers out there. Remember guys, there are thousands and thousands of offers that can be put to a list, and there are people out there that just, buying online is the way to go now. You know, digital products are red hot, physical products, e-commerce, that's red hot, everything is hot. You know, we're in isolation. You know, the world's changing, guys, and you need to keep up with the times. What can I say? The Partner with Anthony program will do that for you, so keep that in mind, okay? All right, guys, that's it from me. That's session 22. Again, they're just broad overviews that I'm bringing to you, but it gives you a bit of an idea, a bit of a heads up. And I'll see you in session 23, and until next time, stay safe and keep moving forward. All right, guys, and I will see you in the next one. All right, guys, bye for now. Bye.